Girl, period, okay? Period. Hey guys, it's Serena, and for today's video, y'all, I will be showing you how I get these really pretty, sexy, long, voluminous waves. I just recently got my hair done. I don't know if you guys know, but I have been wearing like ponytails and like wigs and stuff recently for the past couple months, but I finally got my weave reinstalled, so I'm super happy to show you guys how I have been wearing it recently. Before you guys continue to watch this video, be sure to subscribe to my channel if you aren't already, because sis, what are you doing? What are you doing? And also follow me on all my social media sites as well. They will be linked down below in the down bar. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get started and see how your girl waves her hair. Period. Alright, you guys, so my hair looks a mess right now, but we're gonna fix that. Alright, so the first thing I'm gonna start off by doing, well, I like to usually do my hair before my makeup, so that's why I don't really have makeup on right now, but y'all will see me in the future with a beat face and my hair done. But for now, let's just focus on the hair. So this hair is Kendra's Boutique. This is 26 inches, mama. It kind of goes like past my boob, like right here. This is like my hip, so like, yeah, about right there. I'm 5'6", if any of you guys were wondering, for a height reference. So make sure you guys have a brush or comb around you. I'm just gonna go ahead and brush out my hair so there's no tangles and whatnot. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna go ahead and do, I have a hot comb right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this. I just got it from the beauty supply store. It's literally just like a electric hot comb. But before that, I do want to spray my hair with some heat protectant. I just use the old school Tresemme one. Obviously there's better ones out there, but this is just the one I've been using for years. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray this on my leave out. If you guys don't have leave out and you have like a closure or a like lace frontal or whatever you guys have to do, you guys don't have to do this step first. But since I have my real hair out at the top and in the front, I'm gonna go ahead and protect it and straighten it first so it can blend in more when I crimp my weave. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. I'm just gonna spray like the top of my hair and the front first, and then I'll spray the rest later when I start crimping it. So for now, I'm just gonna go ahead and take my leave out right here, and I'm going to take my hot comb and I'm just gonna lay it flat down. I like to do this step first just because it kind of gets it out of the way and I don't have to worry about like meshing my leave out with my bundles later. I can just do it now, and then when I crimp, everything will be fine. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take my hot comb and just comb my hair down so it blends. Okay, period, period. Just go over your leave out just so it will blend really, really well with the rest of your bundles. Again, even if you don't have leave out and you guys just want to do this step first with your closure or your frontal, that's fine too. Y'all, peep my new tattoo. I know my last video was literally months ago when I posted me getting my first tattoo, my lotus cross, but I got another tattoo. It's a really cool like snake type thing. I fuck with it. So yeah, just wanted to update you guys on that. I'm trying to get back consistent on YouTube. It's just been so hard. Like I literally got a new job. I'm almost done with college. So yeah, your girl is thriving, but she's just been busy. So hopefully I'll be making some kind of like update video very, very soon for y'all. But now I'm gonna go ahead and start crimping my hair. So what I like to do first is take some sections. So we already brushed it out. I'm just gonna go ahead and take a hair tie and put one section to the side. Okay, and then with the section that you are about to do, I just go ahead and brush it out one more time from top to bottom to make sure that leave out is mixing well with the rest of the bundles. And now I'm gonna go ahead and spray the Tresemme heat protectant on my hair. And then with this section, you can go ahead and put it into as many sections as you want. I usually do about 3 to 4 sections, especially with my long ass hair. So I'm just gonna go ahead and take like a little claw clip and clip the rest of the hair out of the way. All right, y'all, now for the main attraction, we're going to be using the INH Waver, y'all. This shit is so good, y'all. It's so cute too. It matches my backdrop. This one is super good. I love the INH waivers, and you guys can use my discount code Serena10 to save you guys some money at checkout. If you guys want to purchase this one, it literally heats up so quick. It's literally the best. I love it, and it's super huge. You guys can use bigger sections in your hair instead of taking like a tiny ass section. You guys can take big ass sections if you're in a rush. It works super duper well. So I'm gonna use this baby. I have it on 350 degrees. So I'm just gonna go ahead and section off pieces of my hair. Make sure I kind of comb them out first with my fingers, and then what I like to do is kind of start at the top and work my way down to the bottom, and I usually do about 10 seconds on each increment of hair. So I'll do like 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10. on each strand. So I'm gonna go ahead and start crimping and show you guys how the first piece turns out. Continue this process on this side of the hair. I'm probably just gonna speed it up. It's pretty self-explanatory. I kind of just wanted to show you guys my techniques and what I do to achieve this look. So I'm gonna go ahead and just speed through the rest of this side, and I'll let you know when I finish. Alright you guys, so I went ahead and finished this side of my hair. It's all done crimping. It looks so freaking good. So now I'm just going to go ahead and hairspray this section so then it would stay put while I start on the other one. So for hairspray, I'm using the Sexy Hair hairspray, the big spray and play. I'm going to go ahead and spray my hair, not too much because I don't want it to be crunchy, but we're just going to spray enough to where it holds. Make sure you lift up your hair too and spray it. It kind of gives it volume. I'm just gonna start on this side. You guys already basically see me do this side. It's literally the same exact process, so I will be back with y'all when I finish this side. All right, you guys, so I just finished crimping my entire head. As you guys can see, let me just show y'all. So cute. I'm literally obsessed. So now I'm gonna go ahead and wrap my hair because I like to wrap it while I do my makeup just so it doesn't get in the way or anything. So I'm gonna show you guys how I do that as well. So first I'm gonna take this, actually, make sure you hairspray the other side first. I'm gonna take this coconut milk by OGX. It's an anti-breakage serum. I like to take this on the top of my head to get rid of any flyaways. So I'm gonna go ahead and smooth this on my hair and my leave out, everywhere where I think that there's flyaways and whatnot, and then the headscarf will go ahead and mesh them down so they don't look frizzy. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take my headscarf. I just use a random do-rag. You guys can use whatever you guys want, but I just go ahead and take my do-rag and I place it on my head. Again, I'm gonna do my edges and whatnot later, so don't worry about that right now at least. And then as for like the front of my face, I just take these little clippies, super duper cute. I'm gonna go ahead and clip them away from my face just so when I'm doing my makeup they're out of the way. Okay, perfect. So yeah, I'm just gonna let my hair sit like this while I do my makeup, and I will be back to show you guys how I do my edges once my face is a beat. See y'all soon. All right, you guys, your girl is all beat. So now what we're gonna go ahead and do is our edges because they're looking a little bit crusty. So I'm just gonna take a baby wipe and kind of take the makeup off of my edges. Also, what you guys can do is put eyeshadow on your hair too, especially if you have jet black hair like me. It's super easy to take some black eyeshadow and like fix any mistakes. So I'm also gonna do that later. And then I'm gonna take this edge booster. This one is in the Sweet Peach scent. I love this stuff, y'all. It works so good on my hair. I'm just gonna take an edge brush. Don't mind me, it's a little crusty, but I'm gonna go ahead and take that and do my edges. So for my edges on my hair that's like in a middle part, because I usually get a side part, but I got a middle part this time, I'm just gonna do literally one swoop on each side, just because I feel like it's not necessary for me to have hella edges when I'm doing a down like style middle part. It's really not necessary to me, but do as many edges as you guys please. I literally just do one swoop on each side of my part, and then I kind of like lay the hairs in the middle part as well. So I kind of take them from the part and kind of lay them in each direction so they stay put. And then to finish off the look, once again, I'm going to go ahead and take the coconut milk oil we were using earlier and just go ahead, take away any flyaways. And then also with my eyeshadow brush, I have some leftover black shadow on here. I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on the front of my hair because it's looking a little bit, you know, brown from my makeup. So I'm just gonna go ahead and fix that real quick as well. And it fixes bald spots too. If you have like a bald spot, literally put black eyeshadow on it and you'll be good, sis. And then this is a super holding spray, so don't spray too much. I only really like to spray this on the top of my hair, on my leave out and like my edges, but I do take the Got To Be Glued Blasting Free spray and just spray a little bit just to, you know, calm down my edges and whatnot. And then you guys can just detangle your hair a little bit, make it a little bit bigger. I don't know why I look so pale in the camera, so sorry. But yeah, y'all, this is the final look. Let me stand up and show y'all. My titties is out, but this is what my hair looks like. All right, you guys, this is the finished look of how I crimp my hair. I literally love how it turned out. It's super sleek, super fluffy, and just super sexy. So I'm really glad I filmed this for y'all. A lot of you guys have been asking how I do my hair lately and recently, so I just wanted to show you guys how I do it. Again, this is Kendra's Boutique 26, 24, 22, and 20 inches of Brazilian hair. I just happened to dye my hair jet black, like a jet blue black almost, so that's why it looks darker, because it usually comes like a lighter brown color, but I dyed it jet black to match my roots. So yeah, I love how it turned out. If you guys want to go ahead and cop this waver, make sure you guys use my code on insertnamehere.com. The code is Serena10 to save you guys some money on everything on the site. If you guys like this video and want to watch more, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that bell notification button so you're notified every time you're gonna post a new video. Also follow me on all my social media sites. They will be linked down below in the down bar as always. I love you all so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. All right, bye guys.